Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She at a hospital. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. We playing outside when it started to rain. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. He like loud music. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. I had a shooting star last night. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. They learning Spanish this year. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. My mother a delicious cake. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. The dog loudly at the stranger. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. I lived in this town for 5 years. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. The children tired after the trip. Option D is the correct answer. Question 10. She play the piano? Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. He a story. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. We finished dinner before the guests arrived. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. I jogging every morning. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. She speak 3 languages. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. It me 20 minutes to get to school. Option B is the correct answer.